Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're going to put the tutorial into practice for this song You Are My King, with the first chord coming up G over B, half a bar with the playing pattern both and right. Ready? G on B and we go. C, G on D and D. Same sequence again, G on B and C, G on D and D, G on B, C, G on D and D. Half a bar of C coming up, half a bar of D, one bar of G. Let's go to chorus, one bar of G chord. Bow, right, right, left, right and C. Back to G again, bow, right, right, left, right and D. G chord. C. G coming up. D chord. Half a bar of C, half a bar of D, one bar of G. Bow, right, right, left, right. Let's go verse. And C, G on D and D. Same sequence, G on B, C, G on D and D, G on B, C, G on D and D. Half a bar of C, half a bar of D, one bar of G. Go, right, right. Let's go chorus and go. Right, right, left, right and C. Right, right, left, right and G. Right, right, left, right and D. And G. And a C. Back home to G. And D. Half a bar of C, half a bar of D, one bar of G. Bow, right, right, left, right, G again. Bridge, let's go. Bow, right, 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 and C. G chord. And C. Still on G. And C. G over B and C. Chorus and we go. Both right, right, left, right and C. G chord and D. Back home to G and C. And a G. And D. Let's repeat chorus again. And G chord. And C. And G chord. And the D. G chord. And a C. And a G. D. Last line coming out, half a bar of C, half a bar of D, and go to G. Bow, right, right, left, right, hold. Well done!